buck. Buck? Okay. Which one's your favorite?
My personal favorite's the Flying Sasquatch. Nice patio drinker, a little bit citrusy. There is some hops, and actually the hops that are used in it are Sasquatch hops, which were the first ever 100% Canadian hops.
Nice.
They went into the wilderness in BC, found some wild growing hops, started breeding them, so all the trademarks, all the growing, all the testing is Canadian. So it's a true North Pale Ale.
Nice. So, do you recommend to other people?
Yeah, it's one of the beers that I tend to slide into people's flights when they don't really know what they want. 5 tends to show up quite a bit.
Nice. So it's the Flying Sasquatch. It's a 5.3 ABV. So since I'm into cryptozoology, so might as well go with the Flying Sasquatch. So can I go right behind?
Certainly.
So now I'm going to try the Flying Sasquatch Pale Ale from Flying Boat. So see, you can see the sun. The sun's reflecting through the glass. Pretty nice.
Unfiltered, unpasteurized.
Unfiltered, unpasteurized. That is pretty good. It's not really. It's really good.
Yeah, hot day goes down pretty easy.
Yeah, drinking this one, I imagine myself on a patio next to a beach, watching the waves, drinking one of these. Fuck yeah. But it has a hint. Bit of hops.
Yeah.
It's what do you say? Hops from BC.
Yeah. Yeah. Sasquatch hops out of British Columbia.
So I mean the hops are bigger. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's all right on the palate. Aftertaste is pretty good.
A little bit of citrus.
Yep. I was just about to say that too. It's pretty good. I personally would give it an 8.5. It's very good. From Flying Boats. Flying Boats Brewing on Ferdinand Drive in Dieppe. Menonfant, sorry. What was I? sorry. Yeah, Menonfant Street in Dieppe. Anyway, at the end of each episode, I put the actual address of the place.
Perfect.
Goes down good. It's very awesome. 8.5.
Mark would be, the owner would be very disappointed if I didn't give you a drink with his flagship IPA. Dixie Clipper.
The Dixie Clipper.
That is his baby.
The Dixie Clipper is an IPA 6.5. So let's test test this one out. But the same. Not the same taster, but we already did this one. Another 8.5. Actually, it's fucking good beer here. Mm-hmm. And these shows are not edited. Well, I cut them here and there, but whatever I say goes.
Yeah, we don't go for as much marketing. Like, we don't have as much marketing going on. We don't try and be a hyped up bar with TVs and loud music and dancing. And we've got our beer, do talking, and we want people to come in, talk about beer. And
Yeah. So yeah, 8.5 for the Flying Sasquatch Pale Ale. Pale Ale, depends how you say it. Pale Ale, Pale Ale. 8.5. So if you're ever in Dieppe or Moncton or surrounding areas or on the road or whatever, stop in Flying Boats on Belafon Street. I will share the address at the end of the video. Come and see Alex and tell them I recommend the Flying Sasquatch and the Dixie Clipper IPA. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all under Beer Show NB. Oh, and next time we'll be at the Pump House eating some good food and beer. See you guys later, and don't forget, don't drink and drive. See ya.